Climate disaster victims are rebuilding using prefab homes from boxy to bespoke. More disaster victims are turning to prefab homes that can better withstand hurricanes, fires, earthquakes, and other extreme weather, often with faster construction and lower costs than traditional builds. People power means making resilient housing affordable and available to working families, not just those who can pay for safety on their own.